Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of coin collecting. Today, we have something special to share with you: the 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin. Many of you have been asking about its value, so we decided to dive into it and provide you with all the details. Let's get started. So, here it is, the 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin. This particular coin holds a special place in British numismatic history. It features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on one side and the iconic crown portcullis on the other. It's made of bronze and has a diameter of 25.91 millimeters. Now, let's talk about its value. The value of a coin depends on several factors, such as its rarity, condition, and demand in the market. The 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin is relatively common and doesn't carry a significant numismatic premium. According to recent market data, the value of a circulated 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin typically ranges from 1 to 10 pence. Yes, you heard that right. It's still considered legal tender in the UK and can be used in transactions, but its collector's value is usually minimal. However, before you dismiss this coin as having no value, remember that coin collecting is not just about monetary worth. Each coin carries a story and holds historical significance. The 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin represents an era in British currency and reminds us of the economic changes that took place during that time. If you're lucky, you might stumble upon a coin in exceptional condition, with minimal wear and tear. Such well-preserved coins may hold slightly higher value to collectors, especially those interested in completing a comprehensive coin collection of British currency. If you're keen on exploring the world of coin collecting and want to know more about the value of specific coins, I highly recommend referring to reputable coin catalogs, consulting with numismatic experts, or even joining online coin collecting communities. These resources will provide you with detailed information about coin values, grading, and much more. And there you have it, folks. The 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin may not have significant monetary value, but its historical and sentimental worth makes it a valuable addition to any coin collection. Remember, coin collecting is a journey, and every coin has a story to tell. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating coin-related content. Stay curious and happy collecting.